Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Tom Lizard from Hoppers. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off on the top left and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with a curve across. And then curve it up on top. Now for the other eye, let's do the same thing. Let's start with a curve across on the right. And a curve on top. And then inside the eyes, let's add a circle for the pupils. And color these both in black. Now top out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with a curve across in between the eyes. And then hop over to the left and let's curve it down. Now on the right side here, let's draw a small curve. Then from the left, let's curve it all the way over and up. Now top underneath on the left side, and let's step in and let's draw another curve down and in. Now to close off the right side of the head, let's hop back up and let's draw a curve down, starting from the eye. And lastly for the head here, let's draw the nostrils by drawing two small teardrop shapes underneath the left eye. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Underneath the mouth on the left, we'll start with a long curve down. And then for the right side, let's angle it down, stopping here, making it a little bit shorter than the other side. Now before we continue the body, let's add the arms. On the right side, let's start inside and let's draw a curve out and down. And let's do the same thing on the left. And then let's add another curve underneath each side. Now at the ends, let's draw the fingers. Now at the ends, let's draw the hands. Let's draw a curve in and back out. And another one going out in the opposite direction. Now to close off each hand, let's add two more fingers down underneath. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move back in and continue the body. Let's start from the left line and let's curve it out and bring it in. And then for the right side, we'll start under the arm. Let's continue the body by curving it down and out. Next at the bottom here, let's draw the legs. At the bottom, let's draw two lines down. Then let's draw a bump out on each side. And one more in the center for the foot. Now for the other leg, let's hop to the left and let's draw a curve out and down. And another one underneath. Now for the foot, let's curve it out and in. Another toe in the same way. And close off the foot with a curve down. And that's it for the legs. Lastly, let's finish the body by adding the tail. From the top line, let's curve it out. And then curve it back in and up. Now from the end, let's curve it up. And let's bring it down and back into the leg. And that's it for Tom Lizard. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!